Hey everyone, JC here with DLRC. Got an unboxing video for you today. One of our customers sent in a really amazing group for consignment. Wanted to go through these with you. A couple of you bought from us in the past and some you hadn't. Beautiful DeLonaga gold dollar, AU55, nice flashy coin. Tough date. This is really hard to find and uncirculated. 56S 61. Another DeLonaga type 3 this time, gold dollar. Nice slider, good honey orange color there. Great piece. Key date 2.5, 11D with the strong D. Nice looking coin, no distractions. This one will blow you away. 1904, 2.5, 66 cameo. That looks decam on the reverse for sure. A little weakness on the cheek, made it just cam. Stunning coin. Very tough date. Carson City Gold 5 here. Key date 1909 O, $5 Indian. The only O mint for the series. Nice original X Simpson Hall, 1866 with motto 10. And we got a really tough date, 11D, $10 Indian, and 55 CAC. Nice coin. All right, we got Shipwreck Gold here, 57S Central America, MS64, $20 gold piece. Uh-oh, what do we get here? Everybody's favorite, well, high relief, 64 plus. Nice coin. This is a key date. Came back to us as well from this client, 24D. St. Gaudens in 63. And my favorite two coins. This is the Lone Finest Known Decam, $3 gold piece. Beautiful piece. That would be my absolute favorite from this group, but this is the last coin in the batch. We have a Stella. Incredible coin. Wow. Thanks for enjoying that with me.